Yo tech lovers, ready to ride the future? From speed demons to long-range beasts, we're counting down the top 15 electric bikes of 2025. So don't blink, don't scroll, and don't miss it, because the future of two wheels starts right now. The Nara Spectre X is an extreme performance carbon fiber e-bike launching on Indiegogo, starting at $3,100 for the Plus model and $3,300 for the Fat version. At its core lies a staggering 6,000-watt mid-drive motor producing 280 newton-meters of torque, capable of propelling the bike to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour in just 7 seconds. This raw power is supported by a sleek, frame-integrated 60-volt 21-hour Samsung battery, 1,260 watt-hours, with a smart BMS, delivering an impressive 31 to 75 miles, 50 to 120 kilometers of range depending on riding mode. Despite its superbike-level output, the Spectre X remains surprisingly lightweight, around 66 pounds 30 kilograms for the Plus version and 79 pounds 36 kilograms for the Fat. Built on a carbon monocoque frame, it features 140mm front and rear suspension travel, Tektro-hydraulic ABS disc brakes, and both torque and cadence sensors for precise, responsive riding. High-performance Kenda tires, a color display with app support, and an optional 5-speed cassette add to its adaptability. Balancing lightweight agility, futuristic design, and motorbike-level thrills, the Spectre X is more than an e-bike. It's a high-speed, high-tech beast engineered for riders who crave adrenaline without compromising style or innovation. The EHO Romeo Pro 3 is a powerhouse electric fat tire e-bike designed for serious trail riders, priced at $1,900. It's driven by a 1,200-watt nominal hub motor with an impressive 120 newton-meters of torque, capable of conquering steep climbs of 30 to 40 degrees. Paired with a massive 48-volt, 60-amp-hour pouch cell battery, 2,880 watt-hours, it delivers extraordinary range, up to 112 miles with pedal assist or 76 miles on throttle only. Riders can expect top speeds between 31 to 34 miles per hour, making it both fast and enduring. Built on a rugged 26 by 4.0-inch puncture-proof fat tire frame, the Romeo Pro 3 is engineered for stability and control. Its full suspension system combines a 100mm hydraulic fork with a 50mm air rear shock, ensuring smooth handling over rough terrain. Safety and performance are further enhanced by a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes with 203mm rotors, and a 4-inch color display featuring Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging, and 5 assist modes. Additional highlights include a 20-watt LED headlight, integrated brake and tail light, and a solid frame supporting riders from 5'4" to 6'2". With its blend of endurance, climbing power, and advanced features, the Romeo Pro 3 stands out as a trail-ready, adventure-driven e-bike built to push boundaries. The LKIP M5 Max is a rugged, full-suspension fat tire e-bike built for power and versatility, starting at $1,499. Constructed on a strong 6061 aluminum frame, it features a 52-volt, 1,100 watts continuous hub motor that peaks at 2,000 watts, generating 120 newton-meters of torque and reaching speeds up to 37.5 miles per hour. Riders can choose from 5 pedal assist levels, managed through a twist throttle with cruise control for smooth and customizable performance. Its 20 by 4.0-inch puncture-resistant tires, inverted front fork, dual rear shocks, and hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors provide stability, traction, and confident stopping power across rough terrain. The standard 52-volt, 20-hour, 1,040-watt-hour battery delivers up to 80 miles of range, while an optional dual battery setup extends total capacity to 40-hour, enabling as much as 160 miles. Tech and safety highlights include a 3.5-inch NFC-enabled LCD display, front and rear LED lights with integrated brake and turn signals, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, and IP65-rated components for weather resistance. Weighing 102 pounds, it supports riders from 5'2" to 7'2" and carries up to 400 pounds. Blending exhilarating performance, advanced features, and rugged durability, the LKIP M5 Max is engineered for those who demand power and endurance in every ride. The Aventon Pace 4, priced at $1,699, is a step-through cruiser e-bike built for comfort and tech-savvy commuting. Powered by a 500-watt rear hub motor, 864 watts peak, 60 newton-meters torque, and a 36-volt 20-hour battery, it delivers 70 to 112 kilometer range and speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Weighing 53 pounds, it supports riders up to 300 pounds. Features include a torque sensor, 3 assist modes, throttle with cruise hold, Shimano 8-speed drivetrain, Tektro hydraulic brakes, 27.5-inch tires, integrated lights with turn signals, and smart ACU GPS lock with OTA updates. Duot's F26, priced at €1,399, down from €1,500, is a dual-motor fat tire e-bike built for strength and range. It features twin 48-volt 750 watts hub motors delivering a combined 1,500 watts with 65 newton-meters torque each, reaching 25 kilometers per hour and handling 30 grease climbs. A removable 48-volt 20-amp-hour Samsung battery, 960 watt-hours, powers up to 60 kilometers pure electric or 120 kilometers assisted range. Its rugged aluminum frame, 26 by 4.0 Kenda tires, and 80 millimeter suspension fork ensure stability, while Zoom dual-piston hydraulic brakes with 160 millimeter rotors provide reliable stopping. Added features include a 3.2-inch Bluetooth LCD display, integrated taillight, phone charging port, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, and IPX5 water resistance. Weighing 40 kilograms and supporting 150 kilograms load, the F26 blends power, durability, and value, making it an excellent choice in its class. The INEI L20 3.0 Pro, priced at €1,799, is a foldable full-suspension e-bike powered by a 250-watt mid-drive motor peaking at 750 watts with 100 millimeters torque. Its 48-volt 15-amp-hour Samsung battery delivers up to 160 kilometers range, recharging in just 2 hours with an 8.8 fast charger. Built from 6061 aluminum, it supports 150 kilograms, features hydraulic suspension, 20 by 3.0 puncture-proof tires, 180mm hydraulic brakes, Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, LCD display, and IoT GPS 4G anti-theft, blending portability, comfort, and smart tech. The Natchike R3, priced at $1,999, packs a 3,000 watts hub motor with 6,000 watt peak, delivering 120 newton-meters torque and speeds up to 50 miles per hour off-road or 28 miles per hour in city mode. Powered by a 60-volt 25-amp-hour battery with up to 50 miles range, it recharges in 5 to 8 hours. Built on a steel frame, it features 4-piston hydraulic brakes, hydraulic suspension, motorcycle-grade tires, and LED lights with signals, making it a true all-terrain powerhouse. The Toodio ICT is a moped-style fat tire e-bike priced at $1,699, built for speed and power. Its 60-volt 2000 motor peaks at 4,000 watts, delivering 170 newton-meters torque and speeds up to 49 miles per hour, with climbs up to 45 degrees. A 60-volt 25-hour battery offers 30 to 36 miles electric and up to 100 miles pedal assist. Featuring dual suspension, 20 by 4 all-terrain tires, hydraulic brakes, Shimano 7-speed, and a color display, it blends bold design with high-performance off-road capability. The Duot S26 is a feature-packed full-suspension off-road e-bike that blends raw power with practicality, offered at just $1,159 on sale, down from $459. At its core, it houses dual 48-volt 750-watt brushless hub motors, one in the front and one in the rear, delivering a combined 1,500 watts output and 65 newton-meters of torque each. This dual-motor setup enables strong acceleration and confident handling with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour in stock mode. The bike is powered by a reliable 48-volt 20-amp-hour Samsung lithium battery, providing 960 watt-hours of capacity and up to 120 kilometers, 74.5 miles of assisted range, making it ideal for long off-road adventures. Built on a durable aluminum frame, the S26 rolls on 26 by 4.0-inch Kenda fat tires for superior traction on rough terrain, supported by front and rear suspension for smoother rides. Riders benefit from a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, a 3.2-inch HD LCD display with Bluetooth app connectivity, and practical extras like a half-twist throttle, mobile charging port, hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, and a rear rack with integrated taillight. Weighing 39.8 kilograms, 87.6 pounds, and capable of supporting up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, the Duot S26 strikes the perfect balance of power, comfort, and utility, built for riders who demand adventure without compromising everyday practicality. The Aventon Aventure 3 2025 redefines the fat tire e-bike category at a competitive price of $1,999. Built on a sturdy 6061 aluminum frame, it features an 80mm suspension fork and a suspension seat post for comfort, paired with 4-inch Innova fat tires. Weighing 76 to 77 pounds and supporting up to 400 pounds of payload, it's engineered for both adventure and durability. Power comes from a 36-volt hub motor rated at 750 watt nominal and 1,188 watts peak, offering up to 65 miles of range. With class configurable assist up to 20 miles per hour and an upgrade option to 28 miles per hour, riders can tailor performance to their style. It also includes a torque sensor PS system, ride tuning, app-based assist customization, cruise control, hold mode, and even the ability to switch between torque and cadence sensors. Smart ACU technology adds 4G GPS tracking, an integrated rear wheel lock, boost mode, and OTA updates. Practical features include Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, integrated lights, fenders, a rear rack, and a cross-model keyless battery unlock system. Blending rugged capability with cutting-edge innovation, the Aventure 3 delivers adventure-ready performance in a well-priced package. The Magician Alpha ST 2025 is a serious off-road e-bike priced at $2,399, down from $2,599. It runs on a powerful Bafang 72-volt hub motor that produces 3,000 watt nominal, 5,000 watts peak, and delivers an impressive 180 Nm of torque. Energy comes from a dual battery setup, a 72-volt 20-hour front and 10-hour rear, combining for 2,160 watt-hours capacity and up to 80 miles of range in PHAS 1 mode. The bike is built on a tough 6061 aluminum full suspension frame with a 120mm hydraulic EXO fork, D&M air rear shock, and high-speed bearings. Performance components include a Shimano Altus 7-speed drivetrain, quad-piston hydraulic brakes with 203mm rotors, torque cadence sensor, and a throttle with on-off switch. Other highlights include a Bafang DPC 0-10 color display with programmable assist levels, 26 by 4.0-inch INEI tires rated up to 100 km/h, and a 450-pound max payload. At 135 pounds total weight, the Magician Alpha is designed for hardcore riders who demand power and durability. The Aventon Aventure M mid-drive fat tire e-bike 2025 delivers rugged capability with smart technology at a price of $2,899. Powered by Aventon's A100 mid-drive motor, it produces 250 watts nominal, 750 watts peak, and a strong 100 Nm of torque. Paired with a removable 36-volt 20-hour battery rated at 733 hours, the bike achieves up to 85 miles of range in eco mode. Rider experience is enhanced with a BC280 color display, an electronic Shimano 10-speed drivetrain with auto shift, and class-configurable pedal assist up to 28 miles per hour. The frame is built from 6061 aluminum, supported by an 80mm zoom suspension fork, suspension seat post, 26 by 4.0-inch INEI tires, and SRAM DB4 hydraulic brakes. Safety features include integrated turn signals, while the bike supports up to 400 pounds of load. Tech highlights bring modern convenience with ACU4 GPS security, remote lock, geofencing, OTA updates, throttle-ready compatibility, IPX6 water resistance for the bike, and IPX7 sealing for the motor. Weighing 73 pounds, the Aventure M blends adventure, comfort, and connectivity in one versatile package.